This topic is of first chapter, and the topic is states of matter. Here we will come with the three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and their characteristics. So the topic states of matter. Matter around us exists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. It is due to the variation in the characteristics of particles of matter. And subtopic is solid state. Solid state characteristics are: it has definite shape. Matters which are in solid state, they have definite shape, they have distinct boundaries, they have fixed volumes, they have negligible compressibility, they maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solids may break under force and it is difficult to change their shape, that is, solids are rigid. Example we can give like rubber band. Rubber band changes shape when under force and regain the shape and regain the same shape when force is removed. If excessive force applied, it breaks. And next example is sponge. A sponge has minute holes in which air is trapped. When we press it, the air is expelled out and we are able to compress it. Now we comes with the second subtopic, the liquid state. Matters which are in liquid state, they possess such characteristics. The characteristics are: they have no fixed shape but fixed volume. They have no fixed shape but they possess fixed volume. Take up the shape of container in which they are kept. Not rigid but are fluid. Solids and liquid and gases diffuse into liquid. Example: gases from the atmosphere diffuse and dissolve in water. Gases, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide, are essential for the survival of aquatic animals and plants. And rate of diffusion of liquid is greater than solid. And the reason is, particles move freely in liquid state and have enough space between each other than the particles of solid. Now the third subtopic, the gaseous state. In gaseous state, we will take three empty syringes. In first figure, it is filled with gas. In second figure, the syringe is filled with water, and third syringe, it is filled with solid, soaked. We have taken solid, that is the soak we have taken. So first syringe we will keep untouched for some time. We will open the piston and keep, and after that again we will put the piston. So in first syringe, after being left untouched, we observe that it is highly compressible as compared to figure 2 and figure 2 syringe and figure 3 syringe. Means in figure 1, the syringe is kept untouched for some time, and in second syringe we will put water, and in third syringe we have put chalk. So we will observe that if after some time, after being left untouched, we will press the first syringe and we will press the second syringe and third syringe. We will observe that first syringe is much compressible. We can compress easily, Whereas in second series, where water is put, it will take little force to compress, and in third series it will take much greater force, because solids are put inside through opening the piston. An example like LPG gas. LPG gas used at home for cooking, or oxygen supplied to hospitals in cylinder are compressed gas. Means gases which are put in LPG gas and oxygen cylinders in hospital. The gases are compressed and have put inside the cylinders. Rate of diffusion of gases. Rate of diffusion of gases into other gases is very fast due to property of high speed of particles and low space between them. Rate of diffusion, they diffuse very easily into other gases. Due to property of high speed of particles have high speed and gases have enough space. Next is pressure. Due to random movement of gaseous particle at high speed, the particles hit each other and also the walls of the container. The pressure exerted by gas is because of this force exerted by gas particle per unit area on the walls of the container. So this video is all about this. Next video we will come up with can matter change state and rest of the topics.